Twinkl Originals have created a story for F2 children that can be used as a teaching point for math skills, like skip counting, algebra, and multiplication. It's called Aarna's Counting Stamps. Let me give you a quick synopsis. For her 7th birthday, Aarna receives a mysterious gift on her doorstep. Inside is a set of what appear to be ordinary stamps with the numbers 1 to 10 written on them. When Aarna uses the stamp marked 1, she makes a circle. She uses stamp number 2 and it makes a heart. She notices that the circle has 1 curved side and the heart has 2. Based on this pattern, can you guess what shape stamp 3 created? That's right, it was a triangle. As they enjoy the story, children can join in the fun by predicting the shape for each number before Aarna does. They can also have a go at using the fun visual and mental math strategies. Each stamp also has a page dedicated to it where children can skip count with the number and see it used in repeated addition and multiplication. At the end of the story, there is also an opportunity for children to practice their skip counting and multiplication skills using the shapes that represent the numbers. This story is a great educational tool by itself, but Twinkl have also developed a range of resources you can use alongside it. To start with, there are these posters that you can print out and display around your classroom or home. They show the same shapes that are on the stamps in the story, each one representing the number with that amount of sides. There are also activity maps with space in the center for the counting stamps, and sections around the edges that are labeled skip counting, multiplication, groups of, and repeated addition. There is even an example showing how these can be used to give you a better idea of how it can work. These addition and multiplication sheets are another great activity to work with the story. Just cut out the counting stamps so children can use them to represent the questions and then answer them. To further explore the counting stamps, there is an Odd One Out activity pack. This has prepared activity cards, sheets, and a PowerPoint, as well as a blank sheet so you can make your own. Children will need to think about the numbers that the stamps represent so they can figure out which one's the odd one out. There's also a board game based on the story, including everything you'll need to play it. To play, you roll a die to move around the board, and when you fall on a space, roll a counting stamps die and answer the question. If you get it right, you stay where you are. But if you get it wrong, you'll need to go back to the space you started on. Whoever makes it around the board first wins. Of course, there are plenty of other resources you can use alongside this story, or resources related to the math skills that are explored in it that you can use to support children's learning. I'll leave links to the ebook as well as all of the resources discussed in this video in the description below, so make sure you check those out if you're interested. You can also browse the other Twinkl original stories available on the website, along with the resources which are made by teachers to complement each one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.